Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar in Eiger Grey. This is next due for a service in March 2022 and has previously had only one owner. As you can see, you have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, powered tailgate, which is great if you ever have your hands full, an electrically deployable tow bar which saves time attaching it. You also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can unlock it just by pressing this button as long as the key is near me, and the same goes for locking it. You have aerodynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great on a nice sunny day like today, or if you just want a bit more fresh air. You also have a windshield there, and you can close it using the same button. 10-inch touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also have valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control rather than personal items. You also have Bluetooth to connect your phone, sat-nav if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with, along with a rear view camera making parking and reversing a lot easier. Several different driving modes depending on where you're driving: eco, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts and sand. And you can also change the suspension to be higher if you're off-roading, or lower, making it easier to get in and out of the car. The front seats are also heated and cooled, which is a luxury in summer and winter. And they are also massage, which is really nice. The front seats are memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. You also have a Meridian sound system, which makes each journey a little bit more enjoyable. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel. This car has done 11,788 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Velar D300. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.